Hey, this is Sabrina, lead trainer for Ballen Brands. Today I want to show you how to create a Facebook business page. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to hop onto your Facebook account, and on the left-hand side, all the way down at the bottom, you're going to see a create option, and then it gives you the option to create an ad, page, group, event, or fundraiser. I'm going to go ahead and click page. Now from here, you're going to have the options to choose what type of page you want to create. Are you a local business or place? Are you a company, organization, or institution? Are you a brand or a product, or did you want to build a page around your specific brand or product? Are you an artist, band, or public figure, specifically for entertainment? Or are you creating a page for a cause or a community? So I'm going to go ahead and just choose local business or place for this one. Now, what you'll notice is when you click on each one of these, they're going to have some different stuff. So local business or place does require your page name, a category, what type of business you are, your address, and your phone number. Now, if you click on company, organization, or institution, brand or product, artist, they don't have that full address information, okay? They do have category and company name, and for cause or community, it does have the cause or community name. So the local business, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to do testing. I'm just going to say testing out. Page category, I'm going to say testing out is a learning center. It's for studying for tests. The street address, it's going to ask for the street address here. I don't know if it's going to ding me and tell me that that address doesn't exist, but we'll see. Phone number. Let's see what it lets me do. Get started. Nope. Okay, so it won't let me. So I'm just going to do company organization just because I don't have an address to pop in there. So choose a category. I'm going to say that this one is a... do they have education on here? Yeah, there we go. Education. And I'm going to, again, do testing out. Get started. Okay, then it's going to walk you through the steps here. It's going to ask you to upload a profile picture. I'm just going to skip that process for now. Then it's going to ask you to add a cover photo. Now, if you don't have a photo, a cover photo, you can create a really cool one using a tool called canva.com. That's C-A-N-V as in Victor, A.com. And they have default templates that you can choose for your cover photos because the sizing is a little odd on these. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and skip that for now. Now it's going to pop up and automatically say, okay, here's your page. Go ahead and invite your friends. You can do this at any time. You don't have to do this right away. It's going to tell you to publish your first post. So it gives you like a little tutorial. Right here, it gives you some different tips that you want to kind of follow by and fill out. You're going to want to add a description for your page. So if you just click on add a short description, you can say testing out is a local learning center for kids ages 8 to 18. I don't know. Okay. You can create a username for your page. So if people want to tag your page, you do that right from here. So I'm just going to say testing out. Maybe testing out center. Okay, create username. Cool. See all page tips, and it's going to give you some more here. So you can create a button on your Facebook page. So that way, if people want to contact you or if you want it to take them to your website, you can create buttons around those. You can add a URL to your website, add your photos, invite friends, and it gives you an option to create a group around some of these people too. And that's pretty much it on the basics of setting up your Facebook page. If you have questions, you can reach us at team@ballenbrands.com. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. And if you want to learn more about online marketing, head over to ranklikeaboss.com. There we have an online training course that walks you through basically everything there is to know about marketing your business online. We also have an expansion course on that same website for real estate agents specifically, So if you're a real estate agent and you want to learn online marketing tips and trips specifically for real estate, you can learn that there. Again, let us know if you have questions, and thanks for watching.